Alright, the next part in the process is to get this middle block placed back into the computer. We took it out just so that it was out of the way so we could get the rest of the parts installed. Now we need to get it put back in. Here it is. We're not going to actually install any more drives or anything inside of it, so we don't need to worry about that. We are, however, going to take this black piece off because we're not going to be using it for anything, just so we have some more space inside the case. And if you can see here, there's just these little grooves. You just press down and it kind of unlocks it. And I just want to make sure you get those on all the sides. And then it pretty much just pops right out. So that's now taken off, and we can get that installed. Now with this again, we want to make sure that we got the upside facing up, and we're just going to get our wires out of the way, get it set in here, and then it should slide right into place. Make sure that it's flush, and then we're going to put the thumb screws on the side like we did with our other block we put in on the bottom. Just come over here on the side, and we're just going to find those same slots that we had found previously. Put them right back in there. There's the top ones. And the bottom ones. And we're going to go ahead and flip the case over so we can show you the other side. And grab 4 more thumb screws. And find those same holes. Tighten them down. There you have it. We got that second one put back in, and we're ready to move on to the next step of the process.